Hi all.
Hello.
What are you going to do, sir?
Today I am going to make omelette Italiano.
Omelette Italiano. Is that something different from the normal omelette?
Quite different in terms of the spices and all.
Okay, let me have a look on what all things and ingredients that you are using for making such omelette.
So for this we are taking some eggs,
Okay,
onion chopped,
okay,
tomato chopped, some green chili,
okay,
butter,
okay,
salt,
okay,
chili flakes
okay.
and oregano seasoning.
Oh, this is important.
Right.
All right.
Some bread
Some
as per
bread
requirement.
as per the requirement.
This all we need to cook in a frying pan
All right.
and all the utensils. And the important thing is the blender.
Okay.
Through which
So this is a blender to make
the
the.
key of making a nice omelette is the how strongly and how thoroughly you blend it.
Okay.
That's why if it is properly blended, then it will be much fluffy and all.
Okay.
Okay? So let's
Let's get started.
yeah.
All right. So here you are adding some eggs.
Yeah. First of all, we will break all the eggs and make a thorough mixture. I have 6 eggs for my recipe, and I'm targeting to make 3 omelets.
Okay.
2 eggs each.
Okay. So Mr. Pawan, you do this every Sunday? I mean, you enjoy making omelette?
Yeah, I love making omelette.
Okay.
And it is my, you can say, a passion, a favorite task to make omelette.
All right.
Okay.
Do you need any help in this, or you do everything by yourself?
I do everything by myself. In case of omelettes, I do everything by myself. But yes, at times I in the chopping of the vegetables, like this.
Oh, maybe your wife must be
onion
helping in
chopping
this.
and all these things. My wife fits in and do the needful.
Okay.
So here all the eggs are done.
Good. So here we can see that there are total 6 eggs, and out of which 6.
Right now I have
Okay, 7. So out of these 7 eggs, we are targeting to make at least 3 omelets. Okay.
some of much more quantity, some of less quantity.
Okay. So you are blending it with a blender in order to make it a more fluffy.
In the meantime, first of all, let me heat on the gas and heat the pan, because the first task will be to put it in oil. So
I think this is important thing in while making the
because
omelette.
how much fluffy is your
Omelette, that will all depend on.
that will make your egg more delicious.
Yes.
And more fluffy the omelette is.
Okay.
So now I will be adding some salt to it.
Okay.
Other than this, I will not be adding anything as of
Right now you will not be adding any spices or seasoning into it. You might add them on top of it, alright? Okay.
Because some may have, people may have different choices, like my son do not like that much spicy and all.
Alright, so depending upon the choices you are adding, okay. Good to see. We can see a pan being put on the gas.
Yeah.
It's hot enough, I guess.
Yes, it is
So-
hot.
So
Now
we
I
will be
add some butter.
putting, yes, butter.
This is also the key to make the omelette in butter rather
Alright.
than in
Making
oil.
it oil.
Otherwise, it will be much oily, and butter takes require less in quantity, but makes the things much better as well as less fatty.
I think it's important to preheat the pan also, otherwise your omelette gets stick to it.
Actually. So I will be greasing the entire pan, hot pan.
Okay.
With the butter.
Let me have a look onto it. I'm just coming this side.
This side.
So these were the certain ingredients that were to be required in this omelette.
Now I will be adding the required amount of now the first omelette is in making.
Okay. So we can have a look onto it.
Just a minute.
That it has been poured into it.
Some salt. Some.
Okay. So now the things have been added into it. I can see tomatoes. I can see onion. I can see.
I am sprinkling it over and then comes our Italiano.
Okay, so this is basically the important ingredient, oregano seasoning that is being done over here. So I think you will be adding green chilies as well.
No, as it is my son, so it is for my
you are
son.
making it for your son, so you don't want to make it more spicy. All right.
He likes chili flakes, but he doesn't like.
Doesn't like these green chilies. All right.
Because all these things are as per the choice of.
Okay.
Now let's put some bread.
Okay. Do we need to
Put the bread.
put the bread like that only? All right.
Now let's. Put some butter on this side also.
All right.
Now the important part is the turning of omelette.
Flipping it is important so that it does not get spread. Oh wow, that's
Now it is
beautiful.
properly turned.
And I can see that it has not been broken also. It's nicely fluffed omelette. Everybody can see this. Oh, that's good.
Just a minute. Some more steps are pending.
So you're enjoying making this omelette?
Now, this is the second part.
Okay, so we have to just toss it both the sides so that it gets slightly brown from both
Bread
the
is also
sides.
clearly stuck in the omelette
Yes,
so that it gives some French flavor.
yes.
And if
Actually.
you like,
I can see the good part is that like with the omelette only this bread has turned golden brown.
Right.
So we don't need to heat it and we don't need to like do it
if people
separately.
like, as my son don't likes it, we can cut it in
In
four parts
between.
also so that it will make a sandwich like a season.
Okay. So should I offer you one plate for that?
This is done and let me take a plate.
So I guess your son enjoys this with the this
We have
one.
some tomato sauce.
Yes. Yes, so we have a tomato sauce ready here. And the plate is done for my son to eat.
So the first part is done and omelette is ready to eat.
Thank you so much. What a beautiful omelette I can see. Look at the plate. Oh, thank you so much. Now, actually enjoying the omelette made by his father. So this omelette is nice, tasty. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
All right. So you enjoy that oregano and Italian flavor that is coming into it?
Yes.
Alright. Would you like to have more?
Yes.
Okay.